Your Straight Talk account can lock due to several security measures designed to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. Common reasons include multiple failed PIN attempts, suspicious login activity, or SIM card changes. These locks help protect your personal information. To unlock your account, first reset your PIN using the Straight Talk app or website. Select the Forgot PIN option to begin the recovery process. You'll need to verify your identity through email, SMS, or biometric scan like facial recognition or fingerprint if enabled. A temporary PIN will be sent to you, allowing you to access your account and update it. Make sure to create a strong, unique PIN of at least 6 characters, mixing numbers and letters to avoid future lockouts. Once you've reset your PIN, you'll need to verify your account ownership. This typically involves confirming your registered phone number, email, or providing secondary ID info like the last 4 digits of your SSN or billing address. Advanced verification options include biometric scans through the Straight Talk app for faster and more secure access. After verification, you can reactivate your services, transfer SIM data, or port your number to restore full access. If your SIM card is blocked, you can order a free replacement online, which usually ships within 2 to 3 business days. To prevent future account locks, enable account alerts, avoid sharing your credentials, and keep your Straight Talk app updated.